Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Power Hour Live. Steve is currently out. He is at the Royals baseball game, taking in the game this afternoon. So, what have I done today? I did a little day trading, didn't do too much this morning, ended up a little bit red. Haven't really done much, to be honest with you. Did one TLC that I probably shouldn't have done, or I should have probably waited. It wasn't a very good entry. I ended up taking it to 40%, closed half, and then price started falling. And when it went through lows of day, I just took the rest of the trade off. And I also did less contracts than normal. I did 6 instead of 10 just because I've been being cautious. Also, I put on my Woogas here. I put them on earlier than normal, which I think just price had been kind of choppy, but now it's pushing up, and the higher it goes, the worse it is for them. So it kind of looks like price wants to rip. Whereas earlier today, about an hour or so ago, it looked like it might want to go through lows of day. So I would like to see my these Woogas come down a little closer to 64.55 would be more beneficial for me on those. But that's pretty much it. That's a really light day of trading for me. Did not have a good experience the last time we had CPI interrupted by a day. Normally CPI and PPI are back-to-back days. But in May, we had a day in between them just like today. And it was a really bad trading day for me. So price breaking out of the little consolidation zone that it's in. I guess I could put SPX up here. Yeah, I was kind of hoping to see SPX stay down here closer to 55. So the higher it creeps up, the worse would be for my Woogas. We've got PPI tomorrow. Pre-market. As far as stocks go, I mean, there's a lot of stocks in the red. Again, I'm seeing price push up, but a lot of stocks at lows of day. Netflix coming down at lows of day. Microsoft. Somehow the market is been going up since about the last 2 hours. It's done nothing but go up. There was a big little drop in Goog, big push up, and then a drop in Apple as well. But those drops got bought up pretty quickly. But yeah, I would like to see price come down a little bit. So that's about it. It was a pretty light day of trading for me, really. All right, can we get some little down move here? Yeah, just up, up, and up. It's kind of at a spot where it got rejected once today, earlier this morning. Now it's breaking through it. Dow up 436 somehow. And there she goes, breaking through that consolidation. Yikes. Look out. She might be heading highs of day, folks. Yep, it's been some pretty whippy price action. There's been little periods of consolidation, but I had a feeling she was going to rip up. Yeah, now it's outside my break even on my Woogas. So the higher it goes, the worse it's going to hurt them. I may just wave the white flag on him here if it goes up above 65. Thursday's a discretionary day anyway. It's not a back tested day. So yeah, that Google really dropped and then everything got bought up really quickly. I also fired. My Woogas wouldn't have fired, because it's not a back test today as far as my bot goes. But I did fire them a little early, 15 minutes early. So yeah, I guess price was about here when I fired them. So, but they were only 5 wide, and so not much premium. I mean, we've had about a 10-point move here in the last 20 minutes. And when you're 5 wide, that's not going to be very good. VIX coming down 14.32. Yeah, one of my Woogas was up about 30% before this push up. Now everything's red. VIX down to lows of day, surprisingly. Wow. With PPI tomorrow, still down to lows of day. That's interesting. Well, 5-point down move would do very good for my Woogas. It's been a pretty good struggle most of the day for the S&P to really get any legs to the upside, but this last couple hours it's been pretty one-sided. Days like today are days where I like to do the Mahomes for sure. A lot of stocks in the red. Coming back down a little bit. Netflix still coming down through lows. NASDAQ's gone red again. Little dip getting bought back up pretty quick. Look at that. Let's see if it can hold. I would have thought we'd get a little down action and a little VIX coming up with the PPI tomorrow, but need one more good down bar. That little dip got bought up pretty quick there. Yeah, 5 points down would do my Woogas a lot. There's a little spike up in the VIX. Yeah. All right, can we get another down bar, please? Got one at 30% profit and the other's down 11%. Let me see if I can show you where it's at here. So here's my Woogas. So as you can see, any type of down movement here is highly welcomed. Nope, Steve is at the Royals game, and they are currently getting beat 7-3. They were down 5-0 in the first inning. Come on down to 55 for us. Oh, now it's 7-6, 3-run home run. It's only the fourth inning. Wow. Game started an hour and a half ago. Yeah, 55 would be my pin here. Would never take the over with the Royals. They struggle to score runs. But they've scored 6 today. All right, keep coming down. Yeah, I'd take 58. I'd take anywhere between 50 and 60, really. I was surprised there to look over and see the VIX was at lows of day with PPI tomorrow. But ever since I said that, it is now pushed up. Will this dip get bought up too? Looking good so far. Yep, it's getting bought up. Just like that, right back up. Netflix coming down through lows of day. I'm not buying it. I'm just not buying it yet. There's a lot of stocks coming down. Microsoft coming back down to lows of day. What is carrying this market here? Keeping it green. NASDAQ has gone red again. Something's keeping the S&P up. Yeah, NASDAQ's still coming down. Okay, now S&P coming back down. It didn't last long. Ruga's looking a lot better now. That's the down move I needed. 55 would be the best to be the pin. Got one Wuga now at 40%. That was the down move I needed. And just had one hit 50%. Very nice. I'll go ahead and just close the Wooga that is going to get hurt by a bounce as it's bouncing. Close that one. Just take it off. It only has 9 minutes left anyway. My other one's at my other account is at 42%. I might just take it off too. Just call it good. I'll take that for a non back tested Wooga day. A little under 2,500 in my two accounts. Longs still hitting. Well, we had a 5-point move of Bosch in the last 15, 16 minutes. Six minutes till MOC. Jumpy price action. Financial Juice says traders fully priced in a 0.25 point Fed rate cut in September. I typically do the vertical. There was one time last week where I let it go and it got max profit. Thursdays, I like to let it go. Yeah, that's all Steve does. He just lets his ride. Let's see, the 60s are trading for about $1.70. Two minutes till MOC. Yeah, I got $2 in one account yesterday and $2.20 in the other. One minute to go. And I got filled on the 65s at 220. Filled on the 65s at 220. So small MOC number. But those MOC numbers haven't really meant much lately. All right, need you to get away from 65. All right, there's my Mahomes. $66. Oh, why does it look so funky? It's got to be above 67. That's my break even. Definitely got filled early on that 65. Yeah, I doubt it. I've never even seen 2.75. Out of the valley, please. Out of the valley. Get yourself out of the valley, please. $66. It's got a ways to go. Get above 68 at least. Let's go. I have a vertical that locks it at $1. Sonia locks in the profit. If it gets up to 64.70, it'll lock that vertical. Or you can let it ride, either one. Need it to get up above 68, 67. And it's coming back down. Yeah, you put your vertical at $1. 3 minutes. It's up to 67. Come on. Keep pushing up. $45 seconds. Can it get to 70? It's above the break even. Come on. Get some legs. Come on, Mahomes. Throw the bomb. Go, go, go. 68. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Mark up, please. Oh, wait. Never mind. It's got 1 more minute. Oops. Darn it. It was above the break even. Now it's coming back down below it. Oh, no. It's coming down. No. I thought that was it. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. You're going to be a pin now. You have got to be kidding me. Unbelievable. Oh, my goodness. I'm so pissed. Oh, it popped up. But it got marked down. Shocker. So Mahomes is a 400, not a max loss, $456 loss. Gosh dang it. Oh well. I will see everybody tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone. Peace.